Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by knowing exactly what traffic must flow. Identify ports, protocols, and destination IPs. This guides every rule you create. Once done, confirm the device IP, subnet, and gateway so rules target the right interface. Make sure you have administrative access to the firewall or management console. Without it, you cannot apply or test changes. Also note any change windows or maintenance windows so you can schedule disruptive actions. This preparation prevents errors and speeds the next steps. Now you implement the rule. Open the Firewall Policy Editor and create a new rule specifying source, destination, port, and protocol. Choose TCP, UDP, or ICMP as required. Set the action to allow and add a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Once created, place the rule above any broad deny policies so it is evaluated first. After applying, commit or deploy the configuration. Finally, save a backup of the firewall config before moving to validation. You finish by validating connectivity, run ping, traceroute, and a service check to the target port. If traffic fails, inspect firewall logs and session tables to see blocked or dropped packets and check NAT or routing mismatches. Make targeted adjustments, narrow IP ranges or ports, rather than opening broad access. If problems persist, roll back the recent change and reapply a conservative rule set. As a key troubleshooting tip, always verify both firewall and endpoint host firewall.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.